You're going to learn the 5 letters. Pa, pi, pu, pe, po. The consonant of the letters is P, but you will not see the consonant in the table. So now you see the 5 letters Ha, Hi, Fu, He, Ho. And next Ba, Bi, Bu, Be, Bo. And these are Pa, Pi, Pu, Pe, Po. Did you notice? The letters are exactly same as Ha, Hi, Fu, He, Ho. But there are some additions. These are not 10-10, but these are called maru in Japanese. For example, Ha plus maru is not Ha anymore, but the consonant is P, and the vowel A, which is going to be Pa. So the pronunciation is going to be Pa, Pi, Pu, Pe, Po. Okay, so now let's practice. So the first one is Pa. 1, 2, 3, then maru. Pa, pa. The next one is Pi. 1, then maru. Pi, pi. The next one is Pu. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then maru. Pu, pu. The next one is Pe. 1, then maru. Pe, pe. The last one is Po. 1, 2, 3, 4, then maru. Po, po. So now let's review. What is this? Pa. What is this? Po. What is this? Pi. What is this? Pu. What is this? Pe. Well done! You've learned the 5 letters Pa, Pi, Pu, Pe, Po. Next will be Ma, Mi, Mu, Me, Mo. See you in the next lesson.